world! Thank you for joining me today. My name is Wayne, and this is my first VR game, and it is a demo of a Diglett game. It's basically a whack-a-mole game, except we're not whacking moles, we're whacking Diglets with a Pokeball. The scene itself is modeled after the Stranger Things arcade set, with some arcade machines modeled after games that are popular in the 80s. So let's see. Let it load for a couple seconds. This is for Google Cardboard, and it does work on mobile devices. It is not in the Play Store, as it is the mechanics of the game was following a tutorial. Every time you hit a Diglett, we will get a score. And now our score is 5, and it restarts after a couple seconds. So you can see this is the environment that we're in. And that is all. Thank you for watching.